Now I'm going to show you how to do number 2 from your final exam review. Similar process like number 1, but now we got 2 separate fractions that we're going to simplify before we multiply. All right, looking at that first fraction, I'm going to separate the numerator and the denominator, factor them individually. In that numerator, 6x squared plus 42x, I will do GCF factoring. The GCF between 6 and 42 is going to be 6, and the smallest variable between x squared and x is just x. So 6x is the GCF. So therefore, I will divide each one of them by 6x. When I do that, the 6's cancel here. X squared divided by x just gives me x. 42 divided by 6 gives me plus 7, and the x's cancel. So that will go in my numerator, 6x times x plus 7. Sorry about the bell. In that denominator, I'm going to also do GCF factoring. The GCF between 3 and 12 is 3. Since they both do not have an x, I will not take out an x as my GCF. I'm just going to divide each one of these by 3. 3x divided by 3 just gives me x. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. So in that denominator, I'm going to have 3 times x plus 4. All right, looking at that second fraction. In the numerator, it just says x plus 4. There's no factoring because there's nothing you can do with that. But in that denominator, you can do the bottoms up method. 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. Two things that multiply to equal negative 14 but add to equal 5 would be 7 and negative 2. So I'll write down x plus 7, x minus 2. Always remember to divide by whatever your a is. Since 7 cannot divide by 2, that's when I'll do bottoms up. And it'll be 2x plus 7. And then, of course, negative 2 divided by 2 gives me negative 1. So in my denominator, I'll have 2x plus 7 and x minus 1. In the numerator, of course, I'll leave the x plus 4 alone. Now I'm going to be looking diagonal from both fractions to see what repeats. As you can see, I have an x plus 4 here as well as here. So these will cancel out. Now 6 over 3 can reduce down to 2 because 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I'll just have 2 in the numerator. And as you can see, there's nothing else that will cancel out. So in the numerator, I'll have 2x and that x plus 7. In the denominator, I'll have 2x plus 7 times x minus 1. And that's it.